messages, send bulk SMS, and then we're going to do our marketing message. So this is where it's going to be sent from. Our credits, our location and time. So we have to do the first bit here, send from an alphanumeric ID. So you can send from an alphanumeric sender ID, however you must offer your users the ability to opt out by writing to your support team, calling your support phone line or texting stop to your actual number. We recommend that you provide your users with a clear description in your term service or when they initially signed up. So you can click this box here, it opens up the sender ID, so when they get their message they know where it's coming from, which is very good for reducing your messages being spammed out or deleted or not recognised. So you may use a combination of 1 to 11 letters, A to Z, uppercase or lowercase, and numbers 0 to 9. One letter or more than 11 alphanumeric characters may be used. So we're going to use the company name here, so people recognise where it's coming from. Then we can pick a list where it's going to come from. So if we select this group here, everyone within the VIP club will get a message. Or we can select contact, and we can then go into an individual within that list. Example here, which means only this person will get the message. Now you need to check that the numbers are correctly entered. We can see here that we have too many 4s, which means that this message will not be presented out, because it needs to be 447734. Yeah. And we can schedule in a delivery time. Please schedule your message to be sent from 8 AM to 9 PM. Local time adhere to the applicable guidelines published by the CTIA and the Mobile Marketing Association. So important note is that the best time is to schedule your bulk SMSs to send out is handling it as a background process and doesn't tie up the user panel. So if you want to send out now, your delivery to a current date time, and it will send out the next time the job is run. So we can stick here and say, right, okay, we're going to send out today, and we're going to select the time it's going to go out, like so, and click done. So it's scheduled. If we have a marketing message template built, we can select it here. There's nothing built at the moment. Or we can use a mobile splash page if we've got one built. That will be selected here. And then we type in our message. So we're entering our marketing message. Socks Men's VIP Club. Thanks for joining. Get 20% off your first purchase with coupon VIP20. With the T's and C's and a link to the site. We've got the legal piece here, the text stop. And we can see what the message will look like. And we see it's using 152 characters, okay, which is 1 credit, yeah, because it's below 160 characters, so that's 1 credit will be used from your SMS credits here. And then you click send message, and then it will be scheduled for sending. So it's now scheduled to be sent. So that's the end of the tutorial on how to send your first SMS campaign. Thank you for your time. Any questions, please feel free to contact your account manager at textplatform.com.